Yeah, that's right, 4,314 miles. Here we are. What's this? This is a new little quad to the channel, but it's not new to me. But I decided, since we're out here in the snow today, I got my friend over here, and this is his quad. It's a Foreman 400 or 450, and we just got this thing fixed. Got the new cylinder, new piston rings, and everything put together. Yeah, it was a little clapped. But hey, it doesn't blow smoke like a choo-choo train anymore, so we got these on a couple of years ago, and we didn't get around to doing the fronts, but it'll be there someday. So I got permission to ride this. He's gonna ride the other one, and then we're gonna just make this part of the winter video, because it's a lot of fun. Two-wheel drive and just blasting. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, let's see what we can do with starting this thing. It's got a pull starter. It actually has a new battery, and it won't start. And it'll do that too. This thing's got a lot of character. Rip your arm off if you don't have the valves adjusted right. It's just a little loud. Yeah, that's right, 4,314 miles and 1,622 hours. Hopefully it's in frame. 4,314, 1,622 hours. Heck yeah. Alright, we're in third gear. This thing just doesn't care, especially out in the snow. We're already in fifth gear. We're in fourth gear. This thing's got so much torque. Smooth operator. Heck yeah. Gosh, that was fifth gear. This thing just has so much torque. All right, we're in fourth gear, and it just spins the tires. Well, that's a berm. Heck yeah. I'm just putting around here at idle, and if I tip into that gas, it just spins. You actually outran me. That's funny. This thing wastes so much time spinning that you actually outrun me.
Yeah, that's kind of what's going on.
Yeah, once you put it in a four-wheel, it really goes, but it's not as much fun. That sound is the fender support inside broken off and it's hitting the tire. And we should do another drag race up that hill and show how this thing just doesn't get any traction. You actually get ahead of me. Oh, it backfired. There we go. Hey, electric start. Listen to that thing. All right. Third gear, second, third. All right. Yep. All right, well, I got the better.
Now the weather's proving us wrong.
Well, I got the better lane this time. Barely any throttle required. Gosh, so much torque. It doesn't matter what RPM you're at, it's just got that torque instant. Even in fourth gear, I can just hit the throttle and it just pulls. Alright, check this thing out. Alright, let's switch. I'll get a third person. Look at that thing go. Alright, let's get after it. Heck yeah. Let's do a track race. Trying to get some weight over the front. Oh.
I didn't know what gear I was in.
Alright. Let's try it again. This lane is starting to get packed down a little bit. Because this thing likes to pack the snow rather than spin it up. Okay. Wow, this is the first time this thing's faster than that Foreman. Heck yeah.
It's like it's on ice.
Yeah. And this thing just grabs.
Yeah.
It's like I'm kicking the second, it actually pulls me back.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
This is
Oh yeah. This thing just boogies. Oh, come on, steer. Yeah. Oh, listen to that. Breaking through the crust. Come on, baby, go. Third gear. Like the highway. Nice. All right, well, this has been a heck of a lot of fun. Good way to end the winter riding video with a real fun quad there, and great weather before the snow all melts. So yeah, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. It was definitely a lot of fun riding around in the snow. And if you have any questions or you want to say something in comments, consider writing a comment. If you want to see future videos, consider subscribing. It helps me out. Alright, well, thanks for watching.